Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This has been a very long time in the making. I have had so many setbacks in the last couple weeks trying to get to this point, whether it be with lighting, background being wrong, or, I had to get a camera, which I'm using right now. So my fiance has been super, super amazing with helping me get everything together. So yeah, if you want to see how we got this nice vampy look, stick around. We're gonna prime our skin. I already did my whole skincare routine. I'm using the Hangover by Too Faced because your boy's got some dry skin. My face gets really red when I play with it, so that's fun. So I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 112. And I'm going to be applying it with my the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Mink, and I'm going to use this as a stick foundation, but I'm going to use it for contour. And then taking my Jeffree Star sponge. Voila! Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and I'm going to apply it right under the eye in a triangle, down the nose, forehead, chin. Take a regular beauty blender. And then I'm going to take my RCMA No Color Powder, big jug, big old jug. Just going to set my under eye. And then I like to take my Cover FX and the shade N20, which is not my shade. They didn't have my shade, so I just settled for this one. This is BS Small. This is a flat face angle brush. I'm just gonna kind of go in and under the spots that I put the white, because it's not actually translucent for some reason, even though I'm basically paper white. And I'm going to be using the Cover FX Perfecting Face Palette. All the different shades in there. This is light to medium. So this is perfect for me. And taking my Jeffree Star contour brush and kind of just going in with a little bit of the contour. I'm going to kind of go in a little bit just to kind of define where I had already placed my other contour. And then I like to take kind of like a fluffier angle brush and then really bronze. Using the same angle brush I used for the powder, kind of blending it all in. Alright, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to prime my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer. Apply it right in there. Don't need a whole lot because we're not going so light with this. So then I'm going to go in with a highlighter and blush, but I'm still going to use the same Perfecting palette by Cover FX. I'm going to take a big brush and I'm just going to kind of dip it in there. Kind of like a light pink blush. I'm not going for something overly colored, but just a little something something. Same flat brush again. And just kind of blend it up. And then I'm going to take a Morphe setting spray and I'm going to spray my Jeffree Star highlighting brush, and I'm going to go in with the new Diamond Wet from Jeffree Star's new summer collection. I do have the rest of it, well not all of it, but I do have the Jawbreaker and the Mini. That'll be in the next video. I'm going to do a little reveal. I just wanted to really kind of make it look like Twilight. Oh. I've never tried one of these before, and I'm actually really excited about it because I didn't think I'd really like it, but I'm in love with it, and I need to order more as soon as possible. I'm going to just do the tip of my nose. That glow. I just want to put it all over my face now. So I'm going to kind of go up here a little bit. Morphe 350. Taking the Morphe 535 brush. It's a little fluffy blending brush that I just got. And I'm going to take, I don't know the shade names in this palette. This one right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. I'm going to put it right here. So I decided to do this look only because I've been watching the Vampire Diaries for the last couple days, and I've already watched it once, and now I'm rewatching it. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M167, and it's just a flat brush, and I'm going to go into the James Charles, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. Now I'm going to take this packing brush. This one came with the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette collab. So I'm going to go back into the James palette. I'm going to take the black shade in there and I'm just going to kind of go right here. And then taking the same Morphe brush we used prior, the M535. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M507 and I'm going to take that and dip it into the black again. And I'm just going to kind of smoke this out a little bit. And since Fallout bugs me, I'm going to take the big Jeffree Star brush and I'm just going to brush the NYX Epic ink liner, and I'm going to go in and just do not a full wing. So I know I said I wasn't going to do a full wing, but I guess I'm going to. Now I'm going to take the black again, and I'm going to just kind of go right in that corner. Now I'm going to take this brush. I'm not sure what brand it's from, but I'm going to go in with that dark or that red from the James palette, and I'm just going to go right underneath. I'm going to go right in there. I'm going to smoke that down a little bit. So now that's done, I'm going to take my Sorme True Line, and I'm going to just take my sponge that I used and just kind of lightly pull it down and go right in the waterline. Now I'm sure you've noticed by now, but I do my eyebrows last, so it's a personal preference. Now I'm going to take Better Than Sex by Too Faced, and I'm going to do my eyelashes, and then I'll put a lash off camera. So they're still kind of drying, but these are the Wispies in Ardell. I like them because they're thinner and I have smaller eyes. Where am I if I wear anything like super dramatic? Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows and then we'll move on to lips. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ash Brown, and I'm going to do just the ends, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So I like to do my tails with these, and then I like to line underneath. And then taking my Benefit the Goof Proof eyebrow pencil. I'm not going to be using this one today. I'm just going to be using this one. And I just like to kind of blend that up a little bit. I am, however, going to use the Precisely My Brow. And I'm just going to kind of give the illusion that I have more fullness. So now taking the Gimme Brow in the shade 4.5, all the benefits for 4.5, I'm just going to lightly go over. So going back in with the Jeffree Star Diamond Wet, I am going to just kind of take a flat brush and dip it in there. And just do underneath my eyebrow. So now I'm going to be taking the Morphe. This is one of their liquid lipsticks in the shade Nibble. And I'm going to be using that for my lips. I'm taking the same Morphe settings. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more highlighter, even though I'm pretty sure you can see me from space by now, but I did say we were going for a Twilight vibe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was super excited to do this. My friends on Twitter helped me pick the look today. It was between a couple different things, but I'm overall pretty happy with what we ended up with. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I hope you would subscribe and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification.